What's up? It's your boy Ergy, aka Oscar, and this is Devlog number 2. I'm building a survival horror extraction game by myself. If you saw my short, you know where I'm coming from. If not, the short's on the link in the description. Go check it out after this. Today, I'm going to show you what the game looks like right now, what's working, what's not, and what I'm building next. The game is a thriller survival crafting game. I call it Don't Stop Walking. You drop in, gather materials, try to extract alive. The twist is you can't stop moving even if you're crafting, managing your inventory, or moving things around. The fog constantly pushes you forward. You can't hide, you can't go back. It forces you to keep moving, and the further you go, the worse it gets. Harder enemies, stranger things happening. There's a whole lore behind why this is happening. But players have to survive long enough to find out. Think of it like the mystery is a reward for surviving. Oh, and your character, they go into every run in their underwears and socks. That's it. You can customize basically everything. Skin color, eye color, ears, lips. Make them look exactly how you want. But at the end of the day, you're still going into a horror survival situation in your drawers. And yes, the underwear has a poop stain. Because your character is terrified. It's in the name. I feel like that tells you everything you need to know about the vibe of this game. Here's what's actually in the game right now. You can craft knives, throw them, close range, long range, depends on your aim. There's a torch for day and night cycle because at night you generally can't see without it. The inventory is Tetris-style, like Resident Evil 4 if you played that. But what inspired me to put in the game is Deadly Days Road Trip. You have to think about what you're carrying. Later on, what's going to be added is backpack upgrades during the run that will let you expand your space. There's a special area along the path. Right now, they have placeholder boxes, but they'll have item extractors and player extractors, basically your way out of the run. The enemy combat system has basic mechanics. The enemy has a fight system. The player has one too. They're both one and the same. Both work. More enemies are coming soon. I'm going to be honest with you, it's not there yet. The game is not being close to done. The stick hit animation isn't great for range damage. I know, I'm working on it. Inventory still needs work. The Tetris system is there, but it needs polish. More enemies are coming. Right now there's only one type. Currency system isn't in yet. More crafting recipes beyond knives also coming. The path is straight right now. Eventually I want the terrain to be randomly generated each run, so no two runs feel the same. The placeholder boxes in the special areas will become actual models. I just want the mechanics right before I make it pretty. That's the honest state of it. I'm not making this game just to make a game. I'm jobless right now. The field I interned in, nobody's hiring. I've applied everywhere. I spent my last internship also taking care of my mom. I gave that everything I had. She had heart failure. I have ADHD. I don't learn the way school wanted me to. I got here through certs, online courses, and just doing things. This game is how I fund what comes next. The next project, the next build, the next thing I can make for people. So if this resonates with you, please follow the channel. That generally helps more than you know. If you want to go deeper than just watching or liking and sharing, I have a Patreon. The $1 tier literally just spares some change. It gets you onto the list and shows me you want to see more. That's it, no pressure. The $5 tier, which yes, I called it avoid grippy socks, gets you early access to videos before they hit YouTube, behind the scenes stuff, a chance to beta test the game, and your name at the end of my videos. The $10 and up tiers gets you access to small, medium, and big projects like 3D files, project notes, probably like schematics and stuff like that, depending on what I build or what I create. Basically, you're in the room as I build things. Every person on that Patreon is literally what keeps this going right now, even though I only have one. I'll shout out everyone supporting at the end of the video. I'll do the third devlog when I finish a good amount.